Hello, this is Alexander Cross, attorney with Law Offices of Cross & Associates. If you would like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates. So here we received an interesting inquiry on our YouTube channel. This has to do with a revoked license. Let's see, so my son's license was revoked due to a case of assault with a deadly weapon as he attempted to flee from the police. Why was his license revoked if it wasn't for a DUI? Well, first of all, that's an issue. See, some people have this idea that the only way they could get their license suspended, well, first of all, revocation is different from suspension. See, for a DUI, first offense, they'll suspend your license. They won't revoke it. Revoking is for life. Suspension is temporary. So here, the reason why his license would have been revoked is because it seems like your son used the vehicle to assault someone, probably the police officer. Now, it doesn't mean he actually ran over or hit the police officer. For instance, if a police officer is next to your car and he writes you a ticket, and then you suddenly take off while he's like literally 2 inches from the car, well, you're going to put him in, you're going to put the police officer in apprehension of a battery. And remember that assault is simply putting somebody in apprehension of receiving a battery. And in that situation, if you almost hit a police officer, or if you almost hit anybody with your car and you did it on purpose, well, not only is that a violation of Penal Code Section 245A1, which is assault with a deadly weapon, being the car, but that will also result in a license revocation. I mean, I have a friend who I had to beg to avoid an attempted murder charge on this one. I remember years ago I had a friend who got in trouble for originally it was attempted murder, actually, because he was having some kind of argument with a girlfriend, and he basically made his intentions clear that he may want to have committed suicide with killing both him and his girlfriend in the car. She apparently jumped out of the car, and then when she did, he stopped, and the allegation was that he hit her with the knee, hit her knee with his car, and then zoomed off. Well, the thing is, I mean, I remember in that situation, the DA was really discussing attempted murder, and I had to beg and plead to get it down to a 245A1 because I didn't want him to spend the rest of his life in prison. And fortunately, we were able to get it down to a 245A1, but still, as a consequence, even though he didn't have to go to prison, thank God, but he still had to accept a lifetime ban. He could not drive, and he still can't drive. And this is a case that took place, almost 10 years ago. But yeah, absolutely. You assault somebody with your car. You purposefully try to run somebody over with your car, and there's evidence for that. There's video or testimony. That's going to result in a lifetime driver's license ban. Regardless of that, if you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates. But if you've been accused of having committed a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. I'll see you in the next video.